It's important to think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. Once you have a good idea of what you want, you can start planning the shots you need. Once you have your storyboard planned out and compiled a shot list, it's time to shoot your video. This can be done with a small team or even by yourself if you know what you're doing. Be sure to capture all the shots you need and stay on schedule. The next step is editing the footage, or as we call them, rushes. This can be done with a variety of software programs such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, or what we use at BOXmedia is DaVinci Resolve. It's important to make sure your video looks polished and professional. Don't forget to film plenty of B-roll to help tell your story, as video at its best is all about storytelling. Now you've produced your video, now you want to promote it. This can be done through social media channels like LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, depending on who and where your audience is. You could also upload it to YouTube for free exposure on the world's largest search engine.